Hey Phrozen community, it's Libby. Today we'll unbox and set up the washing cure kit using some fantastic model from Loot Studios. Once you remove the packaging, you'll find the curing station, the washing bucket, the washing basket holders, and the power cable inside. Open the washing bucket to take out the remaining parts, and we'll be all set to assemble everything. First, install the turntable to the curing station. Next, place the washing basket into the washing bucket and securely close the lid. Place the bucket onto the base of the wash station. And just like that, you're all set and ready to go. Before we get started, make sure the wash station is set up on a clean, level surface in a well-ventilated area, and keep it away from any open flames. Start by putting on the goggles and gloves for safety. Next, pour enough 95% alcohol or your preferred washing solution into the bucket. Make sure the unit is placed in a dry, clean environment, free from any spilled liquid. Then, plug in the power cable and switch the unit on. Place the models you removed from the building plate into the basket, then lower the basket into the bucket to begin the wash. Alternatively, you can use the appropriate basket holder based on your plate size to clean the model directly on the plate. Now, close the lid. Set the timer by turning the dial to begin the wash cycle. We recommend a maximum wash time of 1 minute. If any resin remains on the model, simply repeat the process until it's fully clean. Quick reminder, alcohol and washing solutions can be reused, but make sure to change them regularly for best results. After washing, remove the models and let them rest for a moment before moving on to post-curing. Place the models onto the turntable. Plug in the power cable and switch the power on. Close the cover. You'll notice 3 modes on the touch panel: Cure, Fan, and Fan plus Cure. We recommend drying and curing the models for 30 minutes each. And that's it! Once you remove the models from the curing station, you're all done. That's it for the washing cure kit unboxing and setup. Hope you find this video helpful, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification for more exciting news from Phrozen. I'll see you next time. Bye!